Mastering AI, your ultimate guide to learning artificial intelligence. From self-driving cars to AI-powered assistants, it's clear that AI is no longer science fiction, but a powerful force shaping the future. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, understanding AI can open doors to exciting new career paths and empower you to solve real-world problems. In this video, we'll embark on a comprehensive journey to equip you with everything you need to know to master AI. We'll delve into the fundamental concepts, explore the essential prerequisites, and guide you through the best resources available. Understanding AI. What is artificial intelligence? Let's begin by demystifying artificial intelligence. At its core, AI refers to the ability of machines to mimic human cognitive functions. Imagine a computer program capable of learning from data, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and even solving complex problems. That's the essence of AI. We often encounter AI in our daily lives without even realizing it. From personalized recommendations on streaming platforms to spam filters in our inboxes, AI is working behind the scenes. We have narrow AI, which excels at specific tasks like playing chess or transcribing speech. Then there's general AI, a more aspirational goal where machines possess human-like intelligence across a wide range of tasks.
Prerequisites to learning AI. A strong foundation in mathematics is crucial. Linear algebra, calculus, and probability will be your allies in understanding the algorithms that power AI. Python, with its rich ecosystem of libraries, is the most popular choice for AI development. Familiarity with data structures like lists, dictionaries, and trees, as well as algorithms like sorting and searching, will serve you well. Having a basic understanding of machine learning concepts will provide a smoother transition into more advanced AI topics.
Best online AI courses for beginners. A structured learning path can be incredibly beneficial. My own machine learning course on Coursera provides a comprehensive introduction to the field. For those who prefer a business-oriented approach, AI for Everyone provides valuable insights into the practical applications of AI. And if you're eager to dive into deep learning, I highly recommend Fast.ai Practical Deep Learning for Coders.
Chapter 4. Advancing to Machine Learning and Deep Learning. Machine learning empowers computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Deep learning, a subfield of machine learning, takes inspiration from the human brain and utilizes artificial neural networks to extract complex patterns from data. To deepen your understanding, I recommend exploring courses like the Deep Learning Specialization on Coursera. For a hands-on approach, consider the Data Camp Machine Learning Scientist with Python or the TensorFlow Developer Certification.
Chapter 5. Learning AI Frameworks and Tools. TensorFlow, developed by Google, is a popular choice for deep learning, offering a flexible ecosystem for building and deploying models. PyTorch, developed by Facebook, is another widely used framework known for its dynamic computation graphs and ease of use. Scikit-learn provides a comprehensive set of tools for traditional machine learning tasks, including classification. Scikit-learn provides a comprehensive set of tools for traditional machine learning tasks, including regression. Scikit-learn provides a comprehensive set of tools for traditional machine learning tasks, including clustering. Keras, a user-friendly API, simplifies the process of building and training neural networks.
Chapter 6. Exploring AI Specializations. Computer vision focuses on enabling computers to see and interpret images and videos, with applications ranging from self-driving cars to medical imaging. Natural language processing, or NLP, deals with the interaction between computers and human language, powering applications like chatbots, language translation, and sentiment analysis. Reinforcement learning involves training agents to make decisions in an environment to maximize rewards, with applications in robotics and game playing. Robotics combines AI with mechanical engineering to create intelligent machines capable of performing tasks autonomously.
Chapter 7. Real-world AI projects for hands-on experience. Learning by doing is crucial in AI. Start with beginner-friendly projects like building a spam email classifier or performing sentiment analysis on movie reviews. As you gain confidence, tackle more challenging projects like predicting house prices using machine learning or classifying images with convolutional neural networks, also known as CNNs. For those interested in natural language processing or NLP, developing a chatbot or performing language translation are excellent projects. The key is to choose projects that align with your interests and career goals.
The demand for skilled AI professionals is soaring across industries. AI engineers design, develop, and deploy AI models and systems. Machine learning engineers focus on building and deploying machine learning algorithms. Data scientists extract insights and knowledge from data using statistical modeling and machine learning techniques. AI researchers push the boundaries of AI, developing new algorithms and techniques. To find your dream AI job, leverage online job portals like LinkedIn Jobs, Indeed, and Glassdoor. Specialized platforms like AI-jobs.net cater specifically to AI roles.
The field of AI is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs and advancements emerging regularly. To stay ahead of the curve, it's crucial to engage with the latest research and trends. Arxiv, an open-access repository for scientific papers, is a valuable resource for exploring cutting-edge AI research. Joining AI communities like Reddit's R Machine Learning and attending conferences like NeurIPS and ICML will keep you connected with fellow enthusiasts and experts. Embarking on an AI learning journey is an exciting and rewarding endeavor. By following structured courses, practicing hands-on projects, and staying engaged with the AI community, you'll be well on your way to building a successful career in AI. Whether you aspire to specialize in machine learning, deep learning, or AI applications, the possibilities are limitless. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your progress, and never stop exploring the fascinating world of AI. So there you have it. We've covered the essential elements of learning AI, from the foundational concepts to advanced specializations and career paths. Remember, AI is not just about complex algorithms and technical jargon. It's about leveraging the power of data to solve real-world problems and shape a better future. As you progress on your AI journey, embrace a mindset of continuous learning and experimentation. Choose your learning path, start building projects, and join the vibrant AI community. The future of AI is waiting to be written, and you have the power to be a part of it.